Paano i-convert ang mixed number sa improper fraction? Example. Three and 2/5. So, 3 is the whole number, 2/5 ang fraction. Gagawin natin improper fraction. Una, i-multiply yung denominator sa whole number. So, we have 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So, yung 15 na answer, i-add natin sa numerator. That will be 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. Then, pwede na nating i-change. Sulat na final. 3 and 2/5 will be equal to, so magiging numerator natin yung 17 and kukopyahin yung parehong denominator, that is yung 5. So, meron na tayong 17 over 5. That means 3 and 2/5 is equal to 17 over 5. So, let us have another example. Example number 2. 9 and 3/4. So, ganun din. Yung 4, i-multiply sa 9. That will be 4 times 9. 4 times 9 ay 36. Then, yung 36 na answer, i-add natin sa 3. That will be 36 plus 3. 36 plus 3 is 39. Pagkatapos i-add, pwede nyo nang isulat na improper. So, 9 and 3/4 will be equal to, ang numerator natin yung 39. Then, kukopyahin yung the same denominator. 39 over 4. So, ibig sabihin, yung 9 and 3/4 is equal to 39 over 4. Parehas sila. Okay. So, uulitin yung process. Let us have third example. 12 and 2 over 7. So, again, yung 7, i-multiply sa 12. 7 times 12. So, 7 times 12 will be 84. Then, yung 84, i-add natin sa 2. 84 plus 2 equals 86. Pag na-i-add na, pwede na nating isulat yung improper fraction. So, yung 12 and 2 over 7 will be equal to 86. Ito yung ating magiging numerator. Then, copy the same denominator. So, 12 and 2 over 7 is equal to 86 over 7. Okay, let us have last one. So, let us have 9 and 7 over 8. So, again, multiply yung 9 sa 8. So, that is 9 times 8 will be equal to 72. Yung 72 na answer, i-add natin sa 7. So, 72 plus 7 equals 79. Pag nakuha na yung sum, pwede nang change yung 9 and 7 over 8 sa improper. Then, yung 79, ito yung magiging numerator. Yung 8, kukopyahin lang. So, as denominator. Therefore, yung 9 and 7 over 8 is equal to 79 over 8. Diba? Madali lang. Okay. Try nyo rin. So, ano kaya ang magiging answer sa 10 and 2/3? paano kaya ang value or ano kaya ang value nito sa improper fraction. Try this. Okay, isa pa. 11 and 3 fifths. Try nyo ulit. Good luck.